Alright. Enjoy the show. Imagine his face was all the old
Sorry.
Just there'll be a technical problem.
I mean, Opa, mind your head. I hit my head right now. Have you heard? I hit. I forgot about. Oh, there's another little one in here. Ah, this is for meals. And here's for meals.
Polly could swear in 10 languages, and when Polly died, her death was publicised in newspapers all around the world. That Parrot there. It is said that her ghost still haunts this pub. But at the end of the night, you can hear Polly's voice going, "Put it on the slate," which is what people used to say when they were putting it on the tap. So if anyone can't see Polly, I'll pass through a little bit. This most famous parrot in all of London, and there's been a pub here. I mean, they rebuilt it 1667, but there's been a pub here for much longer than that. I was planning on using social awkwardness to make sure everyone gets a half pint here, but I'm actually looking at the time, and we've got to get you back to.
Where's the parrot? Oh, there's the parrot.
Oh, the parrot man, yeah.
That's true.
Because it was here.
She's still alive then.
She's still kicking, yeah.
Yeah, we will.
It doesn't appear any different.